Artem, get out of there, bro! Jeez!
Dude, that got really tiring.
Man, Artem got sucked in there. Hey! Artem! Oh my god. Oh my gosh, it's about to get real bad. Oh snap. Oh my god. This is crazy. That dude's tired. Artem, you gotta hurry, bro. There comes another one.
Like, in the first hour! Come on!
There will come a day when we will be together. There'll be no more pain. Come that day, we will find a way through beauty and disaster. Till that day, come that day.
I have to say bye to this girl for 5 days. I'm gonna miss you so much, Coral. I'm going to Kauai, another Hawaiian island here, for 5 days with some friends. I'm Drea and Coral staying here. And that's the start of my day. It's super early. Headed out to go pick up the other guys. And then we're going to the airport. Flight is at 10 a.m. Here's Coral. You guys haven't seen her in a little while. Bye, baby. I love you.
Bye. I love you more. And we're gonna miss you.
I'm gonna miss my lady so much. Where's the other lady?
We're gonna have so much fun.
Where's? Oh, there she is.
In her mess.
Are you gonna miss Papa? Oh, you will, Mama.
Hanging out the back.
Yeah, totally.
And then I can share the room.
Absolutely, yeah.
Totally.
Yeah.
Totally, bro.
All right.
Hey, world. We're going to Kauai. What? Hey, world.
Hey, world.
Yo.
Such a cool guy.
Man. Dude, you haven't vlogged in a while, man.
No, I haven't.
It's like a reunion.
We're just in line, in a long, massive line, the third line. Keith, what's up, bro? How's it going, Keith? What'd you guys say? Andrew, what'd you say? Andrew, what'd you say, dude? Dude, I couldn't hear you.
Oh,
Andrew, don't be shy, bro. The ladies want to see you.
you can't put that in there.
Wow.
You gotta put it in there. Put your stuff away. Sit down. Never close.
Later, Roy.
Hey, peace out, Roy. It's been real. We waving at you, dog. We waving.
We can see you waving back.
Hey, baby. Yeah, you looking good though. We vlogging, dude. We vlogging.
Yeah, say nothing to me. They're laughing.
Like we're on a bus.
Yeah.
That's cool, though.
Yeah. That is so freaking pretty. See the beaches over there? Oh, that looks like a beautiful island. Landed in Kauai. Some girls noticed me on the plane from our vlog. It's kind of cool. Wait. Artem, the rental place is over here. Just chill here.
I have a car charger, so we can
like 5-way it?
Yeah, it's one of those.
What's up, guys?
Yo.
Keith, let's go, bro. Dude, we're hungry.
No, he's texting his baby mama. You got no time.
I don't know. He had a baby
He
mama.
has a baby mama. He has a baby. His mom makes sense.
I can't zoom in on this, can I? No, I can't.
Boys, this Mexican place looks unreal.
Why does it look unreal?
It just looks so freaking good. Hey,
Well, we have a.
Keith took us to Costco for some water.
we found water.
Hey guys, so Michael went to Kauai this morning, so Coral and I decided to go to the beach. Are you excited? She loves the beach. But we went to the post office and look what we got in the mail. For Coral, for modeling, they used the Shirley Temple model. That's really cute. Whoa! Coral! Wow. Coral, not too far.
Wow. Look at that pretty view. Look at that coconut tree, it's loaded. So this is our place. Here's AJ, already comfortable with the socks on. Little living space, TV's over there. Erin's done the dishes, like a good housewife.
That's me.
And here's my room. It fits 3, but it's just gonna be me. And then a little side room. Yeah. See my stuff? That's my stuff. Artem's in there, of course. What's up, guys? There's Keith. Wow, it's beautiful here. Little kettle egret there. Palm trees, beaches right over there.
Right as I was just saying smooth Artem. I was like, smooth
Dude, what the heck did you hit? Your foot?
through the freaking invisible table.
Oh!
This thing can see it.
Artem just totally ate it. It's hilarious.
Oh man, dude, look.
I see it.
Try walking through the door through here. You can't even see that it's here.
Well, actually, I can. now that I
Oh
think of it.
man.
Where'd it hit you, just in the
Not
hip?
pleasant, just like in the hip. I
Jeez.
feel like an old man now.
Boo! Peekaboo! Boo! Peekaboo!
Probably should come around, but these Christians. I don't know. What is it? Just hanging off those trees right there.
So our first mistake of the day. Injury or death possible.
Dude, those are freaking.
Is it pretty steep? Oh my
You're barefoot
God.
now, huh? Keith is doing it. We do it.
Well, I don't know about that.
Like I said.
I don't know about that.
But honey, Keith did it.
You guys leaving your shoes up here?
I guess. I'm just following Keith. My wife told me to do everything that Keith does.
Oh man.
Hey, is it much worse at the bottom?
Don't know yet. Dude, this is really slippery.
These guys are nuts. We're like right here on this ledge. Oh my goodness.
Road 4-hour episode.
Dude, just come on. Andrew messing around on a tree. Yeah. Monkey man.
Oh, you landed in my mouth. Like a little turd just like fell right in it or something.
How did it taste, bro?
It's fine.
Dang. 28 drownings.
That kid sounded like he's been here before.
There's Andrew and Keith across the waterfall. We're headed that way to go check it out. Yeah, I don't think I told you guys. I got injured in another longboarding accident. Longboarding as in skateboarding down a hill. Within like 5 seconds of longboarding, I lost it and scraped open one of my butt cheeks so bad. And if you want to see, I'm going to post a picture in about 5 seconds. So you might want to skip ahead so you don't see it. I mean, it's just a tear in my pants with the wound. Here it is. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. My feet are super raw. I didn't realize how far this would be. It's way damn yunner. Yeah. Look at these cute tadpoles.
But it's beer? Oh yeah, yeah. It must be one anymore. Yeah.
So
for like the first time I've seen it.
Yeah. Look right there. Oh, what? See that guy? They're a penguin. Join your friend down there. Oh. Woo! You hit a sea turtle? Oh, crap. Woo! Oh man, that's awesome.
The flower on the top.
Dang.
Really? You both hit it. You both hit it? Yeah, we both hit it. Nice. Oh wow.
It looks like Keith and Aaron are like right over there, but that's actually a mirror. Andrew's washing his hands inside the restaurant, like right here. He's sitting there, came over there.
You should just redo it, read it after and be like, I've never seen this before, guys. You stand up, follow into the camera.
I've never washed my hands before.
How does it feel to have clean hands, Andrew?
Let you fit. Watch.
Look at these chairs. What a weird aisle to put chairs. Doing some late night shopping and Artem found. What do you find?
What does that look like to you?
What is it?
Does this look right to you?
What is in the frozen aisle?